How does a Temu coupon bundle works? Now, Temu coupon bundle works, or a Temu coupon bundle feature is actually for both existing and new members on Temu. So all you gotta do is just simply access the coupon that you have, and then Temu will provide you recommendations or exclusive products that is only available for the coupon. So say for example, your coupon has to choose three items. What you need to do is just to simply click or choose your preferred products that is available for the coupon. And then those products is actually has some certain amount of discounts. So if you will be paying 681, say for example, you're on a current promo, then the specific full price of the product will be deducted. Now, on the end or on the checkout page of the product that you choose from the coupon will actually be, you will only be paying for the shipping fee depending on the description of your coupon. So that's pretty much it. That's how the Timo coupon bundle works.